Discover the elegance of Bounty Swift's exquisite hardware handles, adding refined decoration to your home. Explore the distinctive design of the double-hole hardware handles series, crafted to bring a modern touch to your home. Immerse yourself in the knob series, where compact and delicate hardware handles inject personalized elements into your living space. Discover the perfect blend of functionality and decoration with pendant pull hardware handles. Transition to the modern choice of drawer, concealed pull hardware handles, adding a fashionable atmosphere to your drawers and doors. Experience door hardware handles, opening a new chapter for your home, welcoming style and quality. At Bounty Swift, we prioritize both the aesthetics and quality of our hardware handles, ensuring our products remain consistently exceptional. Make Bounty Swift an indispensable part of your home decor with our elegant hardware handles. Explore Bounty Swift and feel the elegance of our hardware handles in every detail. Thank you for choosing Bounty Swift, adding unique charm to your home through our exquisite hardware handles.